Today, we, the Eco Heroes, which is the environmental club of St. Mary's International College, are out to plant. As you can see here, we've set up a little nursery for a few vegetables we're going to be growing, which include a wide variety of peppers. And we've also made use of plastic containers to emphasize on the aspect of recycling, because we, one, adhere to the clean school concept and believe that waste management should be sustainable.
My name is Umari CG, and we are done nursing our seeds. It is time for us to water them. We water our seeds to help them grow well, absorb nutrients efficiently, and develop their roots.
So for the most favorable conditions for our crops, we've decided to use fertile soil from polythene bags and add them to plastic containers for the recycling aspect of our project. We're also trying to reuse these containers to reduce plastic waste in our community. As we move on, as you can see, we've planted our crops under a tree. This is mostly because we want to prevent direct sunlight from hitting it, but just enough for the plants to grow properly. Additionally, we've included some boreholes which are going to supply water to our plants to ensure that they grow perfectly and healthily for us.
We have just finished watering our plants, and to my junior Chloe, how long do you think you take until the farm plants are sprouted?
It's gonna take 1 week.
Okay, until then, see you later.